So my name is Alberto. I'm an experienced yoga practitioner. So I'm coming from Luxembourg, and I registered initially in Upaya Yoga for 100 hours, and after some time I changed my mind and I decided to register for 200 hours. Why? Because as soon as I was here, I found that the teacher first were very competent, and even if I had attended before many other teachers trainings and also other yoga retreat, I found here a very high level of competency. So I decided to stay for 200 hours. Now I finished my 200 hours, and I must recognize that this teaching was really exceptional. I learned many things, not only about yoga, but also about the philosophy of yoga, about anatomy and Ayurveda. So I would like to thank all the teachers and all the team for the good work they have done. Now, about the logistics, the room was very good. I think the food is also very adapted to the need of the yoga teaching and yoga training. And obviously it's very intense, but I liked it, and I'm very happy after these 200 hours. I have increased my capability to teach, and I would like to thank the whole team of Upaya.